of growth and innovation. This advanced facility is designed to convert waste into value, supporting the growing demand for sustainable packaging solutions. Our process begins with the collection of waste paper, sourced locally, reinforcing our commitment to resource efficiency and environmental responsibility. The collected paper is processed through a highly efficient pulping system, followed by advanced cleaning stages to remove impurities. This ensures the production of high-quality recycled pulp, forming the foundation of our final product. The refined pulp is then transformed through precision forming and drying processes, delivering consistent quality, strength, and performance in every reel. Our mill is equipped with modern technology compliant to Industry 4.0, including a hot disperser system, enabling the production of 5.2-meter-wide paper with enhanced strength and reliability. Quality is at the core of everything we do. Our dedicated team and fully equipped laboratory ensure that every jumbo roll undergoes rigorous testing to meet international standards and customer expectations. Our product range includes Testliner, Fluting medium, Kraft Liner, white top Testliner, semi-Kraft Liner, and bag paper, in a GSM range of 80 to 220. These products support key industries such as corrugated packaging and sustainable paper bags. Once approved, the finished reels are prepared and dispatched to customers across regional and global markets. With an annual production capacity of 134,000 metric tons, the KEZAD mill plays a vital role in advancing recycling, reducing waste, and supporting the UAE's circular economy objectives. A defining moment in our journey, it in the Emirates initiative. At Star Paper Mill, LLC, KEZAD, Abu Dhabi, turning waste into value, responsibly.